Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, October 24, 2025. Social media influencer Eman Atienza dies at 19. Eman Atienza's family announces her unexpected passing. Isang nakakabiglang balita ang gumulantang sa social media ngayong Biyernes ng umaga, October 24, 2025. Pumanaw na ang social media influencer na si Eman Atienza, anak ng Kapuso TV host na si Kim Atienza at ng educator na si Felicia Hang Atienza. Siya ay 19 years old lamang. Inanunsyo ng pamilya ni Eman, sa pamamagitan ng Instagram, ang unexpected passing ng social media influencer. Hindi tinukoy kung kailan at ano ang sanhi ng pagpanaw ni Eman, ngunit binanggit sa post na may pinagdaanan itong mental health issue. Naulila ni Eman ang kanyang mga magulang at mga kapatid na sina Jose at Ilayana. Buong mensahe ng pamilya ni Eman, "It's with deep sadness that we share the unexpected passing of our daughter and sister, Eman. She brought so much joy, laughter, and love into our life and into the life of everyone who knew her. Eman had a way of making people feel seen and heard, and she wasn't afraid to share her own journey with mental health. Her authenticity helped so many feel less alone. To honor Eman's memory, we hope you carry forward the qualities she lived by, compassion, courage, and a little extra kindness in your everyday life. With love, Kim, Feli, Jose, and Ilayana." Mula sa team ng Biyahe y Komida, sa Atienza family kami ay lubos na nakikiramay sa mga naulila ni Eman crying heart emoji. Rest in eternal Eman, praying heart emoji. To those who are seeking either someone to talk to or professional help because of mental health issues, you may call National Center for Mental Health Crisis Hotline, 1553, landline 02-7-989-8727 and mobile number 0966-351-4518. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!
One of the most frustrating pieces of misinformation that was spread about me during the Guess the Bill controversy when everyone was hating on me in the Philippines, because trust me, there was so much misinformation that I was genuinely considering getting lawyers involved, was that my lifestyle, my schooling, my house, my travels, my clothes, etc. are funded by politicians, are funded by the government, are funded by corruption. Yes, my one grandfather and my aunts and uncles on my dad's side are in politics. But I want to make it so clear that my immediate family, my sister, my brother, me, my mom, my dad, do not get financial support of any means from that side of the family. My mom is the breadwinner, meaning she brings home the money, and her family is not in any way, shape, or form related to politicians. She came from a Taiwanese family. She studied so hard in school. She went to an Ivy League university, majored in finance. She became a stockbroker, invested in a bunch of different things, started 2 schools, and now she's getting her second master's degree in Harvard. My dad has been in entertainment on TV, I'm sure you know, for decades, for years. We do not get financial support from any of my extended family.